So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a pie chart on the Visme application. So once you have Visme opened up on your device, go down to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Then under project type where it says charts/graphs, simply just press on that right in between videos and GIFs and documents right in the middle, press on charts/graphs. Now where the charts are right here, just slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across a pie chart option. The pie chart option for me is right here between line graphs and scatter plots. Press on pie charts. So now what you can do is either select a blank template if you want, or what you can do is just go down and view a whole bunch of different pie chart templates that they have. So if you wanted to do this one right here of maybe Kent's AI solutions, go ahead and press on this right here. It's now going to take a couple of seconds to create this template and to create the pie chart. Once that is done, there you go. Pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a pie chart here on Visme. You can select the pie chart, edit whatever information you want. And as I mentioned before, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a pie chart here in the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.